In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank payment details to your invoice branding theme. To get started, open your settings area in the platform you're using. From there, navigate to Invoice Settings. This is where you manage the way your invoices look and the information that appears on them, so it's the right place to make changes if you want customers to see payment instructions directly on the invoice. Once you're in Invoice Settings, look for your active branding theme. Your active theme is the one currently being used on your invoices, so any edits you make here will affect how those invoices are presented going forward. Next to that active branding theme, click Edit. This will open the customization area where you can update the text and details that appear on the invoice. Now find the box labeled Terms and Payment Advice. This section is commonly used for important payment-related information, and it's a good place to include the details your customer may need when paying by bank transfer. In that box, type in your bank name, your account number, and your payment instructions. As you enter this information, make sure everything is accurate and clearly written. It's helpful to keep the wording simple and easy to understand so customers know exactly how to complete the payment. When adding payment instructions, you may want to format the information in a clean, readable way. For example, placing each piece of information on its own line can make it easier for customers to scan. Just be sure the content stays concise and professional, since this message will appear on your invoices. Also, before saving, take a quick moment to review what you've entered. Double check for typing mistakes, missing digits, or unclear instructions. Even a small error in payment information can create delays, so this quick review can save time later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That final step applies your changes to the branding theme, and your updated bank payment details will now be included in the Terms and Payment Advice section of invoices that use this theme. And that's it. You've successfully updated your invoice branding theme with bank payment details. This can make it easier for customers to pay you and can help reduce back and forth questions about payment instructions.